Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you short how you can find jobs in LinkedIn, how you can apply jobs in LinkedIn. So before you apply, what things you have to take care on LinkedIn. So let's start with the video. Before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, this is my LinkedIn profile. Okay, this is demo profile. So when you go in LinkedIn, or when you join LinkedIn, and you want to apply the job, or you want to find a job. So first you have to take care of your profile. So click on your name, so you will see your all profiles. So in profile you have to add every details in professional level. Okay, so it's not mean that you need to put fake information and all. You need to enter the best information about you, your experience, and your profile. So here you can see I have added here certificates, I have added here interest, okay, experience. Okay, so before you apply any job, you have to add your resume. Okay, and you add your certificates if you have. And if you so I will show you how you can add resume, while you're applying the job. So I'll show you anything, everything here. Okay, you can see I just add here certificates, and this is my resume. Okay, this is my current company, and I just add here resume. So first I'll tell you how you can add the resume. So go to the this pencil icon. Okay, and currently add this new position, show education. Okay, you have to enter education level, everything, profile URL, email ID, which add you have to add here. Okay, and recommendation. Okay, so go to the add new position. Here you will get your current position. Okay, in this, if you want to in this position, you can in it. Yeah, you can. Okay, this is my current position. Okay, and this is my active position, which is, sorry, this is my active position, video streamer video. Okay, just enter your titles like YouTuber, any full-time, part-time, your company name, anything, your location. Okay, and start month. Okay, in month, your current company. If it is current company, it will be not 8 month. If you take it is my current company, the expiry date will be, in date will be disappear. Okay, so now here you have to write about something about you. Just talk about your profiles, your experience, your hobbies, and everything. And here you can see add media in. You have here upload and media, you can upload your resume from here. Okay, so I just add resume here. Okay, so it take times. Okay, that is how you can add resume. Just click on apply, then it will be add in your profile. So you can see I had add the resume here. I just show you, just refresh it. Okay, I just refresh it, and you can see this is my resume. Okay, you can edit to your current experience, your last experience. Now I'm going to show you how you can add certificates. So here you can go in add section. In add section you can find your intro, your abouts, your featured. Means this is about your post, article, links, media. Okay, this is your background, work experience, education, license and certificate, voluntary experience. If you have any voluntary experience, you can add here. You have to add skill here. Okay, just click on skill, then you can add skill here. Okay, and there's a many accomplishment, any publication about any achievement you can add here, like award, test score, everything. Okay, so I will show you certificates. Go to certificates, add section, about in intro. skills. So here you can background, you can find the license certificates. In certificate you have to give the names, your course name, your company name. Okay, Google. This credential does not expire date. If your credential have expired date, you have to untick it. You enter the expired date. So in my case I just take it. Select month, issue date. Credential ID you will get on your certificate. It is like custom. I'll show you what type of Google certificate. Okay, credential like certificate ID. Okay, this is ID, or maybe there are different way, different format you will get. Like you can see here, issue date and certificate number 146. Okay, credential ID in many this, yeah, completion ID. There is many format in certificates. Maybe completion ID, credential ID, anything you have to type in on here. Credential URL means you have to first download your certificate and upload your certificate on Google Drive, your Google Drive, and get the link, shareable links. Okay, change your restriction, like anyone with this link, copy the link, and you have to paste the link here, credential ID here, and just save it. After save it, it will be show here. So all information should be clear and perfect and genuine. You have to enter your all information. After that you have to go in jobs. Okay, skills is a very important. You have to add skill because skill, like it is keyword for the HR. When HR search here people's with particular skill, they will find your profile. So skill is very important. As I show you here, I show you again. Skill in add section, you can find skill. Okay, skill is a very important. You have to add skill. Okay, like I mean, you can search here like sales, marketing, recruitment, anything. You can add skill from here like digital marketing and anything, digital media. Okay, just save it. And skill is very important because HR find with the skill only. So go to job, and here you can search job like digital marketing manager. You will find all jobs. You can filter by date, like jobs which past month, posted past month, past week, anything. Okay, experience level you can filter, company, job type. Okay, you can filter location also from here. If you on a particular city, you can enter particular city here. Okay, if you want to reset all filter, you can click on this reset, and that is how job will be. See, you can see the jobs. Just read the all this all job, job description, your job responsibility, everything, and you can apply easy. Some job you have to apply on company website, but some job you can apply from LinkedIn only. So there is your email ID. You can, okay, this your email ID, your phone number. You have to enter your phone number, is your country code, and here also you can upload the resume. Okay, and if you want to follow, you can follow the particular employer and just submit your application. After submit your application, if they found your resume or profile suitable for this job, they will directly contact you on email or LinkedIn. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.